This is the smallest pipe organ in the world, which has just been presented to Titania's palace, the world-famous model. It's 12 inches high, 9 inches across, 5 inches deep, and was made by Andrew Watt of Glasgow, the works costing £100. You'll see that these notes actually play. Here are the 5 stops, 2 diapason on the outside, 2 flute, and the center stop controlling the swell, which is the shutter you see moving above. At the back we see the arrangement of the pipes, of which there are 30. There's also the bellows below and the trackers connecting from notes to pipe. And here is the box called the wind box containing the delicate mechanism. Mr. Phillips will now play a tune on it for us, but as the notes are so small, he will have to use matches.